loves, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, hiya, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And together we are
Those Vegan Guys.
The yellow square that you can see up there is not SpongeBob SquarePants. It's a sign in car park. Just so as you know.
In case you was wondering, in case you was curious, in case it caught your eye.
So this is the beginning of Veganuary vlogs. Kinda, yeah. I mean, we've already done a few bits at Lidl and Aldi, but we're starting our little mini vlogs today to pick you up on any particular bits that the stores have brought in specifically for Veganuary, new items that they've got in for Veganuary.
Yes.
So these are not big full shopping vlogs. If you want a big full shopping vlog for any of these 7 supermarkets, Lidl, Aldi, Tesco, Asda, Morrison's, Sainsbury's, what's the other one?
M&S?
Waitrose.
Oh, Waitrose, yeah.
Then I'll put a list down there in the first comment, which is your first vegan shop at. And they're nice, long, thorough shopping vlogs for just in case it's your first time, or if you're an established vegan, we'll take you around the store and show you all the bits we can lay our eyes on.
Yeah.
These are short ones. Text will have already come up here to let you know what time the shopping starts. We don't know. Rude.
The rain's coming. The rain's coming. Yeah, let's just to briefly touch on that. The elephant in the room. The elephant in the room at the moment in January 2026, because we were talking about this the other day, is that actually, for the first time in a few years, there isn't a huge amount of new stuff that's been launched in any of the supermarkets for Veganuary. But there is some new stuff.
Yeah.
So if we spot new stuff, we're going to show you it.
We're gonna vlog it. We've got vouchers sent to us by our lovely subscribers. We don't, as a rule, shop in Marks and Spencer's. There's reasons. But we don't, as a rule, shop here. Apart from occasionally washing up liquid, which we... Usually, I'm one of them, me. I keep 3 in cupboard under sink and then have 1 in use. And then when it gets down to 1 in use and 1 under the cupboard to buy more... Oh, we got caught out last night, didn't we?
I was crouched looking in the cupboard under the sink for about 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Like an idiot. Like thinking if I looked long enough, one would just magically appear.
Yeah.
It didn't.
So we've come to use our vouchers up. We'll vlog what's in M&S and show you some bits. So there's been a bit of controversy about M&S because they used to have a dedicated section. Well, a couple. A chilled section, a freezer section, and then stuff scattered around the store. But what they did last year, it was last year, wasn't it?
I think so.
They incorporated their vegan items in with the non-vegan items. So to get bacon, vegan bacon, you have to go to pig flesh bacon. And it put a lot of people off.
It did.
And I get it. Totally get it.
Yeah.
We all like to have our vegan sections. However, Vegan Food and Living, great magazine and Facebook page, did a little article about all these new bits that were supposed to be in M&S. So we'll show you them. We'll pick up some washing up liquid. It's not going to be a long vlog. Trust me on that. Let's go in M&S and see what they've got for Veganuary 2026. First thing we've spotted actually on a stand on the way in is this Good Gut 35 plus gut booster mega mix. It says there, look, sprinkle on your salads, add a dash to soup, or enjoy as a healthy snack. It's £6, but for those of you who are really health conscious, it's clearly marked vegan, and you could probably make that last. So there's that. We'll just show you a couple of bits because we can't see much new, but they've got no chicken nuggets for $3.50, breaded no fish fingers for $3.50. What's that?
That's the 4 no beef burgers
For $2.70, and sausages for $3.50 in the freezers. See how it's all mixed in, so all corpse pies there, and then no steak pie there for £3.25, but at least it's the same price. Oh, and that's vegan as well, mushroom pie.
Yeah.
Not seen that one before.
Nice.
Nice, so 2 pies, both £3.25. M&S Kievs, they're actually some of the better ones out there. They're £3.75, but these ones are £2.50, so we're going to get one for freezer. And of course they've got the melt in the middle no fish cakes for £4. Again, mixed in with all the non-vegan stuff. M&S attempting to rip off Coconut Collaborative here with their own chocolate and caramel pots, £4.25 though. And they're pretty tiny. Turn it to the side, Joe. Tiny. And a lentil lasagna for £4.50. Ooh, see, this is why I don't like filming here. I don't like being amongst all this pig flesh. But they do have vegan bacon, 2 for £6.50, and they also have these mushroom steak burgers for £4.25.
And also
in the chiller.
the one next to it is Plant Kitchen as well.
Oh, butternut and chipotle. Is that clearly marked vegan?
Well, it says Plant Kitchen on the front.
Oh, it does. Yeah. £4.25. Plant Kitchen no chicken nuggets in the chiller for £3, mixed in with all the other actual dead bird nuggets. Sorry, I'll keep saying that because, you know, that's why we're vegan. Vegan nuggets, £3. Well, nothing we've shown you is new to us so far, so any road. Plant Kitchen chocolate cookies from the Fresh Bakery, £3.10. Trust us, they're absolutely gorgeous, and the bits of chocolate are massive, so well worth it. Did you know most of the sweets here are, well, these particular ones, Colin the Caterpillar and Percy Pig sweets, most of them are clearly marked vegan, just in case you didn't know. You'll also find loads of sauces and jars and bits that are clearly marked vegan. We'll just show you this one because we've heard people raving about it. Vegan chocolate hazelnut spread, £3 from the Plant Kitchen range, so clearly marked vegan obviously, and pretty much always available. Always available in our store is the Plant Kitchen Victoria Sponge, £4.25. There it is, see, right there, mixed in with other cakes. It is absolutely delightful, and we always get one while we're here, so that's going in the basket now. We've come here for washing up liquid, and look what's happened. Mind you, we have got vouchers. Onward! Cheese flavour twists. These go pretty fast, but they are lovely. They're £1.90, and they're just cheese flavoured breadsticks. Should you fancy something crunchy for no reason whatsoever. As well as the freshly baked cookies on the bakery section, they've also got these Plant Kitchen 8 double chocolate cookies, £2.65. They are quite nice actually.
Yeah, they're lovely.
Good for dunking, should you fancy. Just a sweeping shot. I've just picked up 3 of these, 70p, washing up liquid, good quality, cruelty free and clearly marked vegan. And you'll find that with a hell of a lot of the cleaning products that they are clearly marked vegan and cruelty free, so well worth having a look because a lot of it's quite cheap. And I think we're done now. Oh no, we'll go and get a couple of bottles of wine and then we'll be done. Right, we've just picked up a couple of bottles of wine as well. That's pretty much all we're getting. Just had a chat with the staff here, and because this is a smaller store, it probably doesn't have the new for Veganuary items in. So sorry if you've seen a lot of this before, if you're an established vegan, but hopefully this has helped if you're doing Veganuary. See you back in the car. Right, well that's the M&S look around over with. It's, as I said in there, I asked the guy, I said, like, we've seen online about these new Veganuary items, and he said they'll probably only be available in the bigger stores. And he mentioned Manchester and somewhere else, and I said, are they like much bigger? He said, oh, they're proper supermarket size.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, right. This one down near us is small. it's
Yeah, well, we've always referred to it as like a small M&S, and then quite a few people who watch our vlogs in the past have said,
I've said,
it's
it's
big.
massive compared to mine.
But apparently it's small in comparison. It's a bit of a double-edged sword. It really depends on how you look at it. And I said this to Paul earlier, is like, you know, with M&S and with a lot of the supermarkets, but specific to M&S, it's a bit of a double-edged sword because it's still not particularly nice that stuff's strewn all over the place and mixed in. It's not particularly nice for us, and I know a lot of yous agree with that. It's a bit of a double-edged sword in terms of if you're looking at it for what's new for Veganuary 2026, there's not a lot. If you're looking at it...
There is, depending on...
Where?
Yeah, if you go to a big full-sized M&S, there's a few bits. Check out the article from Vegan Food and Living on Facebook, or just search M&S new vegan items for Veganuary.
Yeah.
And it should come up and let you know. There's supposed to be mushroom meatballs, chicken style pieces, some kind of coconut, kefir, yogurt, all these little bits. But I'm glad we got some washing up liquid.
Yeah.
So we can wash us pots.
We got a reduced Kiev.
We did.
Always
Put
nice.
freezer, because Marks and Spencer's Kievs are great. They are.
The fact of the matter is, the positive is that there's plenty of stuff, a plethora, some might say, of items for people trying Veganuary in 2026, and for us established vegans, it's nice that there's plenty of stuff on the shelves available to us as well.
And don't forget, although M&S isn't there, the list that I'll pin in the first comment does have 7 supermarkets for you to check out for a proper good shop. Are we done?
I think so.
Love you, mister.
Love you.
Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again very soon. And until then, please, will you be excellent to yourself and each other? Bye, loves.